Today I am going to teach some topic about reasoning. Today I took the topic analogy. What is analogy? In simple term, analogy is an analysis between the two relations. I have taken few examples. Let's begin from an easiest level. Observe this. First one. Delhi is related to India. In the same way, Paris is related to France. So what? Just think over it. Delhi and India. Delhi is a capital of India. Paris is a capital of France. So in the exam, like this question, previous yearly asked in 2011 and 10. So you have to remember two things. Capital and country. India, Delhi, Paris, France. Let's take second example. Gujarat is related to Gandhinagar. In the same way, Chennai is related to what? Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. In the same way, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. In the first example and second example, the relationship between the two terms is state and capital. Let's consider another type of example. Next type of examples. Let's take first example. Baseball, USA. In the similar way, badminton is related to what? Just analyze the things. Baseball, USA. So, USA's national game is baseball. In India, we have a national game, hockey, right? Similar way, badminton is a national game for Malaysia. So, Malaysia is the answer. Let's move on to next example. Italy, Libra. Greece is related to what? The currency of Italy is lira, not libra, sorry, lira. In the same way, Greece currency is peso, P-E-S-O, peso. So, you have to remember few things in your mind. National game of various countries as well as currency of few countries. Let's move on to next example. Horse, male. Tiger is related to what? In this analogy, horse is a male and male is a female. Tiger, we generally call it as male. What is the female name of tiger? Tigress. So tigress is the answer. Cub, lion. Bunny is related to what? Cub. What do you mean by cub? Kid of lion is called cub. In the same way, bunny is related to rabbit. Kid or child of rabbit is called bunny. So, stable is related to horse in a way. Like that, den is related to what? So these questions I have written is asked in the previous clerical main exam as well as PO prelim exam. From 2012 to 2017 paper I have chosen. So let's move on to the options. Darkness, lion, forest, rabbit, stable and horse. So, the place where horse is living is called stable. Like that, den is related to what? The place where lion are living in a cave called den. So, you may think forest. In the forest, lion is living or else den is living. Next, move on to the option rabbit. Rabbit and den does not have any relation. Darkness, it sounds good, den and darkness, but it is meaningless. So, lion is the answer. you have to make analogy like this. Where the animal is living, the place lion is living called den. Similarly, move on to the next variety of example. Court is related to lawyer in some way. Like that, hospital. Court and lawyer. Hospital is related to what? Let's move on to the options. Ward, bed, doctors, patient. So, little tricky and little confusing one. In the hospital, you may see everything. Ward, obviously. Beds, obviously. Doctors are in the hospital. Without doctor, no hospital. Without patient, no hospital, you may think. But doctor is the answer. In the court, lawyers argue and they make some judgment like analyzing and other things, right? So doctors are in the hospital to treat the patient. Let's move on to the next variety of example. Spade is related to dig. In the same way, show is related to what? The meaning of spade is dig. The meaning of show, according to dictionary, is scoop. In the ice cream, you may have scoop of ice cream or scoop of some dessert, etc. Right? So scoop is the answer. Next, move on to the final type of problem. Final type variety of question. Plow is related to farmer. In the same way, sword is related to what? Farmer are plowing, right? Plowing the seeds and making the crops. Sword, who holds the sword? Warriors, right? Warrior is the answer. Warrior. In the exam, the options may be asked like this. A. Tailor, B. Soldier, C. Warrior, and D. Police. You may analyze in another way. Sword. During the time of before independence or during the time of king's rule, the soldiers are having swords. Nowadays, soldiers are having bomb, missile and tankers. With the help of those, they are fighting. Real warriors hold the sword for fighting. So, warriors is the answer. These are few examples. Let's move on another variety of example. In the exam, you may got the confusion of options. I have chosen some of them. Let's move on to the first example. Gold is related to solid. In a similar way, petroleum is related to what? Let's move on to the option. First option we have fuel. Second option we have liquid. Third option we have car. Fourth option none of these. So gold is a solid. In the similar way, petroleum. Let's move on to the options. Fuel. Yes, obviously petroleum is a fuel. Liquid. The state of petroleum is liquid. Car. Petroleum is petroleum product like petrol or diesel is a fuel for the car. Next is none of this. So option B is the correct answer. Solid and liquid. State of petroleum is liquid. This is one of the question asked in 2016 clerks main exam and prelims for PO exam. Similar question, not same question. Tetanus is related to bacteria. In the same way, rabies is related to what? First option algae, second option fungi, third option virus, fourth option protozoa. While analyzing the four options, these four types related to some microorganisms, right? Algae, fungi, virus, protozoa. Titanium, the cause for titanium or TT disease is bacteria. Rabies is caused by virus. Virus the virus have in the saliva of animal cause rabies, like it may be cat or dog. So virus is the answer. Algae. Algae is a bacteria present in the plant. Fungi also, fungus. It have plant or some animal also. Protozoa is a microorganism. It have no meaning or no relation with the rabies. So virus is the answer. Let's move on another type of analogical question. More is written E-O-R-M. In the same way, suit is related to what? I will do this. More, M-O-R-E. It has written like E-O-R-M. Here also E, here also E. First term is the same and last term is the same. In the similar way, suit. S-U-I-T. So, like this analogy, second term, here also O, here also O. Right? Here also R, here also R. Let's do this. T. Second term same, right? Third term also same. And fourth term, again in the first term become last term, T-U-I-S. Option 4 is the right answer. Thank you for watching the video.